If you're a home seller, then you're going to want to watch this video about 3 major changes you need to make to your home before putting it on the market. Putting your home on the market is a big decision, and obviously we all want to maximize what we make from the sale of our home, regardless of the reason that we're selling. It might be that we're downsizing, it could be that we need to upsize because we have children on the way, maybe we're combining households, getting married, maybe there's a job change. Whatever the reason for selling your home, we all want to maximize what we get out of that home. So one of the first things that we need to do to try to maximize what you can get out of the home is to give your roof a much needed makeover. Now, if your roof is only a couple years old, then you've probably already checked this box. You don't need to worry about it. But particularly here in Florida, roofs have become a major issue as far as getting homeowners insurance goes. If a roof is more than 15 years old, and for some insurers 10 years old, companies are either not insuring it, or it's so expensive to insure the home that it just isn't feasible any longer. So if you do have a home that has a roof in the 10 to 15 year old range, it really may pay you to go ahead and get that roof replaced, even though you may still have some warranty left on it, because it really could be a challenge for your potential home buyers to get insurance. And if they can't insure the home, the only buyers that could potentially buy your home are going to be cash buyers, and so you're going to significantly limit your buyer pool. Anyone with financing is going to have to carry homeowners insurance, and enough homeowners insurance for the replacement value of the home. And in order to do that and still have the homeowners insurance be somewhat reasonable, that roof is probably going to have to be a newer roof, not necessarily brand new, but a newer roof. So the second area you might want to focus on is a kitchen remodel. The kitchen is kind of the heart of the home. It is one of the primary places that buyers are looking for in terms of a kind of a modern kitchen. Now that doesn't mean you have to do a full-on remodel. It could be, depending on how old your kitchen is and when you last did an update, it could be paint. It could be backsplash, it could be counters, it could be cabinets, or it could be all of the above. It could be just new appliances. But pay special attention to the kitchen. That is where a significant amount of money can be made or lost in terms of how your kitchen looks, whether or not it's an attractive kitchen or an outdated kitchen. And then the third is enhancing the curb appeal. The first picture any real estate agent shows when they list a home has to be of the front of the house. It's actually required by the multiple listing service. It's one of those requirements. And so you want that front of your house view to be as tastefully done and as beautifully landscaped as you possibly can. So spending some extra money on fresh mulch, bright flowers, so you have some bright colors, pops of color, painting the front door, things like that can really make a big difference. Making sure the lawn looks nice and manicured, all that can make a big difference and can net you more money for your home. So those are the 3 things that you need to be focused on as a home seller if you're thinking of selling your home. I hope you found this information helpful. As always, if you or your family or friends are looking to buy or sell a home in Central Florida, I hope you'll reach out to me and give me a chance. I'd love to be your realtor of choice. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips. If you have a topic you want me to cover, just let me know. I'll be happy to add it to my list of video topics. Have a great day, everybody.